JR with Citrus Carpet Cleaning Atlanta and OMG Carpet Cleaning. This is a repeat customer. We had 4 bedrooms, a hallway, a set of stairs, and an area rug. So it was a $304 job. Took us about 45 minutes to do it because we got there about half hour late because our appointment before this one ran over. So we didn't start till 2:30. Took payment at 3:30, 3:26, something like that. You'll see it on the invoice here in a second. Wanted to shoot this quick after video, just like I said, we didn't have time to do the before video. And we're letting people know that, yes, this is something we teach people how to do. We teach you how to do what we're doing here. When we get to the invoices, you'll see the invoice for this particular job was $304. The second invoice is for the day, which is $644. So if this is something you're interested in learning how to do, get in touch with us, 770-652-0630, or you can obviously find us on the web. As always, be kind, take care. We'll see you later.